friends, I'm Poonam Dua, and today we will talk about a topic about which we are talking since ages, since ancient times, and I believe we will keep on talking about it till doomsday. कयामत का दिन जब तक नहीं आ जाएगा ना, तब तक हम इस टॉपिक को छोड़ेंगे नहीं, बात करते रहेंगे इस टॉपिक पर. Feminism, that is the topic. Feminism is not just important for women but for every sex, gender, caste, creed, and more. A very common misconception is that only women can be feminists. It actually empowers the people and society as a whole, but we will not go into the definition of feminism today. Much has been talked about this concept in many of my classes, in many of my videos. We will today talk out of the box. We will today talk about the need of feminism, the factors behind the need of feminism, and today we will talk about the first wave. बहुत सारी waves कही जाती हैं feminism की, specifically the first, second and third. After that there came a fourth wave as well, and people these days say that at present era even the fifth wave is going on. जब तक ये दुनिया रहेगी शायद फेमिनिज्म टॉपिक पर बातें चलती रहेंगी और अलग अलग वेव्स भी आई थिंक आती रहेंगी. इन दीज वीडियोज स्पेसिफिकली वी विल टॉक अबाउट वेव 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. अब देखेंगे उन सभी रीजंस को जिसकी वजह से शायद फेमिनिज्म का जन्म हुआ. थ्रू आउट most of Western history, women were confined to the domestic sphere where public life was reserved for men. Of course, one kind of discrimination. In medieval Europe, women were denied the right to own property. Even they were denied to study or to participate in public life. At the end of 19th century in France, they were still compelled to cover their heads in public, जिसको हम इंडिया में घूंघट कहते हैं. And in parts of Germany, a husband still had the right to sell his wife. What a pathetic kind of thing. Even as late as the early 20th century, women could neither vote nor hold any kind of official position, elective official position in Europe. This was also a discrimination, and women were prevented from conducting business without a male representative. These kind of things were there in the society against which women had to raise their voice. रीजंस के अलावा भी काफ़ी सारे पॉइंट्स हैं जिसकी वजह से प्रोटेस्ट शुरू हुआ. मैरिड वुमेन एट दैट point of time could not exercise control over their own children without the permission of their husband. What a non-logical rule. These and many more are the reasons that provoked women at global level to protest, and hence the waves of feminism emerged. This video will provide an overview of the time span and distinct feature of each feminist wave. Let us know the waves of feminism one by one, and we will start with the first one, that is the first wave. So now we will study about the first wave of feminism, which had a time span of 1848 to 1920. The first wave of feminism, it takes roots in United States and UK. The first wave of feminism takes root in United States, US and United Kingdom, UK, starting in mid-19th century. At this time, the main objective of women was just to attain legal rights. The mention of the first wave of feminism 1848 to 1920 will be called incomplete without the mention of Seneca Falls Convention of 1848. The Seneca Falls Convention of 1848 marks the beginning of American first wave, and this was the first women's right convention taking place in US, whose attendants were comprised of many abolitionists as well. Have a deeper look at this picture. The Seneca Falls Convention, which was the first women's rights convention in United States. It was held in July 1848. Please year को बहुत अच्छे से याद रखिए. It was held in 1848 in Seneca Falls, New York. Place को भी याद रखिए. The meeting launched the women's suffrage movement, the right to vote in political elections, which more than 7 decades later ensured women the right to vote. 70 साल लंबी ये लड़ाई रही है. And who were the faces behind it? The whole thing was organized by Lucretia Mott and Elizabeth Cady Stanton, who were both active abolitionists. we will read some exact words used to propagate this moment. New York abolitionists Lucretia Mott and Elizabeth Cady Stanton put out a call in the Seneca Country Courier that read, a convention to discuss the social, civil, and religious condition and rights of women will be held in the Westland Chapel of Seneca Falls, New York on Wednesday and Thursday, the 19th and 20th of July current, commencing at 10 o'clock am. During the first day, the meeting will be exclusively for women who are earnestly invited to attend. The public generally are invited to be present on the second day, where Lucretia Mott of Philadelphia and other ladies and gentlemen will address the convention. So it was a proper call for everybody, anybody who wanted to be the part of this moment. Let us summarize what has been the major issues during first wave. In the very beginning, equal property rights and abolishment of a husband's ownership of his wife stood at the forefront. Towards the end of 19th century, the focus shifted to demanding women suffrage, with the hope that the right to vote maybe would preface the access to further rights as well. Many advocates in US, especially women of color such as Sojourner Truth or Maria Stewart, fought for this to be parallel with universal suffrage. The first wave came to a close in around 1920, when some white women had been granted the right to vote in US and UK, passed by Congress June 4, 1919 and ratified on August 18, 1920. The 19th Amendment granted the right to vote. आप लोगों को ये सब कुछ भी याद रखना है कि कौन सा वो एक्ट था जिसके थ्रू राइट टू वोट मिला था, द 19th Amendment 1920. The 19th Amendment legally guarantees American women the right to vote. Achieving the milestone that required a lengthy and difficult struggle, I must say, victory took decades of anger and decades of protest. Recently, we have covered the 100 years of this milestone achievement. Yes, August 2020. August 2020 not only served as National Women's Suffrage Month but also commemorated the 100th anniversary of the passing of 19th Amendment. So this was it for this first part of the video. We will soon meet to know about the second wave. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, and a great best of luck for any kind of exam that you appear for, be it academic, be it the exam taken by your life. Contact as per the details given on the screen to join our classes.